students, today we will learn about OpenShot video editor. OpenShot is a simple but powerful open source video editing software. It is designed to create and edit videos. It can easily combine multiple video clips, audio clips and images into a single project. In OpenShot, you can create 3D animated video titles, which make the video clip more impressive. You can use OpenShot to create photo slideshows, television commercials, online films, and create presentable videos for various occasions like birthday parties and family gatherings. These videos can be shared on social networking sites such as Facebook, YouTube, Flickr, Vimeo, etc. Students, let us know more. Blender is an open-source 3D computer graphics software which is used to create animated video films. Students, let us learn about some more features of OpenShot video editor. The most common features of OpenShot are as follows. OpenShot can support for various video, audio and image formats. You can add multiple tracks, images, audio files in one video. It allows you to resize, trim and cut audio or video clips. You can create 3D animated titles for the videos. It supports an advanced timeline which includes the features to drag and drop the video clips and zoom them also. This software has many advanced tools such as keyframe animation, audio mixing, editing presets, image overlays, image sequencing and much more. It allows to control the speed changes on video clips, fast and slow motions. It provides more than 40 audio and video effects to enhance the quality of a presentation. OpenShot projects are saved with the extension .osp. Students, now let us know how to start OpenShot video editor. Follow the given steps to start OpenShot video editor. Click on Start, then go to OpenShot video editor. The OpenShot video editor window appears. Okay, let us talk about components of OpenShot interface. The OpenShot video editor window has various icons, tools, tabs and menus to edit the video projects as displayed in figure. Title bar. The title bar displays the application name and project name. It is placed at the top of the OpenShot video editor window. Menu bar. The menu bar is placed below the title bar. It displays 5 different menus that are File, Edit, Title, View and Help. Toolbar. It contains icons that allow the user to create, open, save, undo, redo, import files and export your video project. Okay students, let us do a quick view. Press Ctrl plus F key combination to import a file in OpenShot. Function tabs. These tabs allow you to switch between project files, transitions and effects. Project files. This section contains all the files that have been imported into your project. Before you can add an image, audio or video file, it must be first imported into your project file section. Students, let us know more. Videos created using OpenShot can be exported in a smartphone and even on the web. Transitions. This section includes various transition effects for the image files, which are similar to the transition effect in PowerPoint. Effects. The effects section includes audio, video and other animation effects which can be applied on the video clip. Video preview. This section is located on the right side of the window. This is the area where you can watch your video as you work on it. The size of this area can be modified by clicking and dragging the handles around it. The advantage of using this pane is that in case any modification is needed, it can be done before giving a final shape to the movie. Edit toolbar. This toolbar has toggle buttons used for editing, trimming and splitting clips. Students, let us know more. You can also apply the fade in and fade out effects to your movies or clips by using the fade option. Fade in and fade out options apply gradual increase or decrease in the level of transition effects. Zoom slider. This is used to adjust the time scale of your timeline. Zoom in is used to see the closer look of the timeline, and zoom out is used to see the entire project at once. You can either click the zoom buttons or drag the zoom slider. Playhead. The vertical red line is the playhead that represents the current playback position of the preview window. Ruler. The ruler shows the time scale of the timeline. If you drag along the ruler, it will scrub the video, which is a fast and rough way to preview your project. Timeline. The timeline is the bottom area of the OpenShot window. It displays your project in a graphical way. Each track represents a layer to display the images or videos. The higher tracks show video and images above the lower tracks. There is no limit to how many tracks a project can have. Filter. In this area, you can search the item by typing few letters of what you are looking for. The results will be shown in the project files pane. Alright, let me tell you how to create a new project. When you open the OpenShot video editor, it creates a new project file automatically with the name Untitled Project. If you want to create another new project, follow the given instructions. Click on the file, then go to New Project option. Or press the Ctrl+N key combination. A new project file will open. Alright students, let us understand how to open a project. To open an already existing project, follow the given steps. Click on the file, then go to Open Project option. The Open Project dialog box opens. Select the project file that you want to open. Click on the Open button. Students note that if you are opening a recent project, choose the file, then go to Recent Projects option. Alright, let us talk about importing photos and videos. Each media file, an image, audio or video that you add to the timeline is called a clip. Before using any clip on the timeline, first import the clip into your project. There are a few different ways to import a clip. The most common way is to drag and drop files from your computer into the project file section of the screen. To import any file, follow these steps. Choose the file, then go to Import Files option from the menu bar. Or click on the green button present on the toolbar. The Import Files window appears. Select the images or video clips that you want to import by pressing the Shift or Ctrl key, and then click on the selected pictures appear under the Project Files pane. Or simply drag the selected images from the Import Files window and drop them into the Project Files pane. Students, let us find out how to arrange files on timeline. Once you have imported the images into Project Files pane, the next step is to arrange them on the timeline. The ruler on the timeline represents the flow of time. It starts from the far left corner and moves towards the right. By default, the timeline has 5 tracks named as Track 4 to Track 0. To add the files to the timeline, follow the given steps. Select the file from the Project Files pane that you want to add the timeline. Drag the file and place it on the track 4 in the timeline. The clip will now be added to the timeline. Similarly, you can add the other clips to the track 4. Students note that to quickly add multiple files to the timeline at the same time, first select all the files. Right-click and select Add to Timeline option. Let us discuss about applying transitions. Transitions are applied to add special effects to the video. They are used to add connectivity to the consecutive scenes of a movie. They can be added between two images, video clips or titles. It has an arrow that shows the direction either top to bottom or bottom to top. To apply transitions, follow these steps. Click on the Transitions tab. It contains a list of transitions available in OpenShot. Select a desired effect from the transitions list. Now drag the selected transition effect and drop it onto track 4 on the timeline. It will snap between two tracks and automatically resizes itself if dropped where two clips overlap. Students, let me share a tip with you. The spacebar key can also be used to play or pause the movie clip. Let us discuss some options related to the transitions. Copy transition. To copy a transition, right-click on the transition that you have applied recently on the clip. Click on the Copy option from the context menu. The selected transition will be copied. Reverse transition. To reverse the effect of a transition, right-click on the transition. Choose the option Reverse Transition from the context menu. Observe the change in the effect of transition in the video preview pane. Setting the properties of transition. To set the properties of a transition such as brightness, contrast, duration, etc., follow the given steps. Right-click on the transition. Choose the Properties option from the context menu. The pane showing the properties of the transition is displayed at the left side of the timeline. Select any property and type the desired value accordingly. Press the Enter key to apply. Remove transition. To remove a transition effect, right-click on the transition that you want to remove. Select the option Remove Transition from the context menu. The transition gets deleted. Students, let us learn how to add video effects. You can insert video files to the clips or images to make the project more interesting. To add video effects, follow the given steps. Click on the Effects tab. You will get 3 tabs named Show All, Video and Audio. Click on the Video tab. A list of video effects will be displayed. Now choose the desired effect that you want to apply on your clip. Drag the selected effect and drop it on the clip in the timeline. Video effects will be applied to that clip. Students, note that similarly, you can add the audio effects to the clips in your project from the Audio tab. Now, let us understand how to move and slicing clips on timeline. Once you have added the files or clips to the timeline, it is necessary to arrange them on the tracks and put them in the correct order. You may also need to trim off the beginning and ending of the video or audio clip. This can be done by the following tools. Move a clip. To move a clip to a new location, follow the given steps. Click on a clip that you want to move. Drag it to a new position on the timeline and drop it. Slice a clip. While making a presentation, you may need only a particular segment of an audio or a video file. The razor tool helps you to slice a clip into 2 pieces. Follow the steps to slice the clip. Select the razor tool from the Edit toolbar. Move the pointer on the clip in the timeline. The mouse pointer changes to a razor icon with a dotted line. Click on a clip at the point you want to cut it. Again, click on the clip to specify the desired end point. Students, let us find out how to add title. OpenShot has an inbuilt title editor that helps you to create titles for your video project. To add a new title, follow the given steps. Click on the title option in the title menu. The titles dialog box appears. Select any template from the Choose a Template list. Enter the name of the file in the file name text box on the right-hand side pane. Type the title of the video in the line 1 text box and subtitle in the line 2. You can add other effects such as font, text color or background to the title. After making the required changes, click on the Save button. The title gets added under the Project Files pane. Drag the title clip to track 4 area and place it either at the start of your video, in between or anywhere at the end. Students, let me share a tip with you. You can also add the animated titles in your video projects by using the animated title option from the title menu. You need to install the Blender software to use the animated titles. Let us talk about exporting your video. To export your last saved video on any video sharing website such as YouTube, Vimeo, etc., follow the given steps. Click on the Export Video option in the File menu. The Export Video dialog box appears. Choose the desired format from the Profile drop-down list. Click on the Export Video button. The Export Progress bar will appear at the bottom on the Export Video dialog box. You can also export your video by clicking on the Export Video icon located on the toolbar. Students, know that if the pictures are not available in your system, you can upload them either from your camera or download from the internet. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. OpenShot is a simple but powerful open source video editing software. It is designed to create and edit videos. Video preview is an area where you can watch your videos as you work on it. The timeline is the bottom area of the OpenShot window. It visualizes your project in a graphical way. Transitions are applied to add special effects to the video. They are used to add connectivity to the consecutive scenes of a movie. Video effects are used to add special effects to the movies. OpenShot has a built-in title editor that helps you to create titles for your video project.